Hey everyone, so we're here in the woods. We've been here about 20 minutes. It's absolutely pissing down. Matt is farting around putting up his giant hammock of bushness, whatever he calls it. So I wanted to give you a quick view of my sleeping arrangements just as a quick comparison. I'm going to switch over to the other phone and show you around real quick. It's very exciting. So in the time it's taken Matt to build his over there somewhere, in the time it's taken Matt to build his hammock, I have put my tent up, made my bed, basically had a nap, run around the woods, and all is well. I'm using a super simple little Euro hike backpacking tent, even though we're not backpacking clearly. My little tent is pretty awesome for what I need. It's a cheap tent, but I've got a decent mattress, as you can see. You maybe can't see because the lighting is terrible. So a nice Exped mattress for a good night's sleep. Works awesome. Goes up in 5 minutes. Means you don't have to dick around like this bloke over here who's still arguing with his camera. So back over here, I'm pretty much done. It's 9:15 in the morning. I might have a beer.
But first off, as it's pouring with rain, we're going to go and get some wood and get ready to do what we came down here to do. And that's initially make some coffee.
Yeah. So we're going to make coffee using a rocket stove, which we're going to make using auger bits. I brought an auger bit set with me, albeit we're going to have to make a really small rocket stove because this is the biggest auger bit that I have in the set. And frankly, for a rocket stove, you'd probably want something with a little bit more girth and a little bit more length. Sadly, that's not the first time I've heard those words. But hey, let's make it work. We can make a couple of small ones, and I'm sure it'll be a case of what we do with them, not how big they are. None of these pieces. Even remotely fucking straight. We're gonna go straight down and come out the side.
How are you getting on?
Well, as a first go, this is an interesting experience. Didn't really know what to expect.
I'm quite enjoying your ratchet.
Ratchet is a win. Auger bit is not that sharp. Struggling a little bit. That coffee is going to taste absolutely effing amazing at this rate. Right, after no effort at all.
Did you bring any water?
A couple of lessons learned. Running an auger bit to make a rocket stove by hand is hard work. Even Matt is pretty handy at this sort of stuff. So we've got two slightly wonky rocket stoves. The holes are not quite as wide as we would like for kind of maximum airflow. We've got a hole through the top and a breathing hole through the side. We're going to drop some twigs and some kindling in the top to get these lit, get them going, and then we're going to have a cup of coffee.
Did you bring any water for the kettle?
Got no water for the coffee. Every plan.